Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Brown, black, black, gold, black. A resistor value. This is a question from my viewer. We have a resistor, brown, second black, third black, next gold, last black. What is the value? First brown is 1. If we see color code chart, 1, 0, this black multiplier, that means there is no 0. So multiply by 1, gold, plus minus 5%. Then the last black, it is wire wound. Wire wound non-inductive resistance. Non-inductive. It is 10 ohms plus minus 5% non-inductive wire wound resistance. In this type of wire wound resistance, when it is indicated with last black color ribbon, it has two layers of wire. If first layer is clockwise, the second layer is anti-clockwise. So second layer will cancel the magnetic field of the first layer, so it will not become an inductor. It will be used as a resistor. So that is called non-inductive wire wound resistance. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.